Welcome to today's virtual lesson for April 17th. Today's lesson is on planning and drafting your westward expansion diary entry. I've been getting a lot of questions. People have been asking me, Miss Antunes, how do you get your hair like that? And to be honest, it's hard, but it's called not washing it for 4 days and copious amounts of dry shampoo. You can do it too. Actually, no one has asked me, so I just wanted to tell you that. Okay. What is our agenda for today? First, we're going to do a would you rather. Then we're going to look at the objectives. We're going to plan our diary entry. Then you're going to start drafting your diary entry. And then I'm going to explain how you're going to do those two things on Teams. Okay. Would you rather? Would you rather be able to make plants grow really quickly or make it rain whenever you want? What would you rather? I think I would rather make plants grow really quickly because then we would have a lot more oxygen and we could breathe more easily. Our earth would be healthier. Okay. Would you rather go camping or stay in a hotel room? I would rather stay in a hotel room for 4 words. 24-hour room service. That's all I have to say. Okay. And then would you rather drink orange juice or milk? For me, I would rather drink milk. It would have to be almond milk because I got that lactose intolerance. But yeah, I would have to go with milk. Okay. Our objectives. Today, we are going to plan and draft our diary entry. We are going to do this because when we have a strong plan, it'll be a lot easier to write your diary. Trust me. It'll just be like, oh, that's so much faster than just starting drafting. Plan first. Okay. And we are going to use transition words when we draft, and we're also going to use graphic organizer when we plan, and we're going to use our historical facts. 3 things. Okay. Shout outs. All right. First shout out goes to Uli. Uli did an amazing job of using the dialogue rules. Check this out. She wrote, I was walking in the lush and verdant forest. Look at those details. When all of a sudden I saw Hare. I said, hey, Hare, what are you up to? Hare said, well, I'm just watching how slow you walk. I bet that I would beat you in a race no matter how slow I walk. Like, I could walk super slow and still beat you. And then she starts a new line because it's a new person talking. And I said, are you sure? Because if you are, then I challenge you to a race. And whoever wins gets a trophy. And then they end up saying they're going to meet at Rock Creek Park. But look how Uli put her punctuation inside the dialogue. And she used quotation marks on both ends. And she used dialogue tags. Awesome job, Uli. And the other shout out goes to Hanya. Hanya had a great ending. I love endings where you end with some sort of like coming together, a lesson, we can be friends. She wrote here, I guess my slow rock legs are useful after all, I replied. So he asked if he could buy some ice cream for the 2 of us as a treaty. I happily agreed, and we were off on our merry way. I hope this means that everyone will leave me alone now and not bother me about being so slow. See you soon, Tortoise the Second. Wow, isn't that such a lovely ending? Good job, Tanya. All right, what did you like about their diary entries?